Okay, so today we're going to make an origami swan. And to do that, we need a square sheet of paper. So I'm going to show you now how to get a square sheet of paper from a regular one if you need to. Just take and fold it like that, nice and even. So you got a nice perfect point at the corner. And it's nice and perfectly even with that left edge. And then you can cut off this excess. When you cut off all this, you'll end up with a sheet of paper just like that. If you don't want the crease, you can put this over top of a regular sheet of paper and take and just mark it. And then you can cut them. So then you got a bunch without a crease. Sometimes the creases diagonally make it difficult to do the origami. So this is how we have a square sheet of paper now. So today we're going to learn how to fold a traditional origami swan using one sheet of square paper. The traditional origami swan might be the easiest of the origami birds. You can also use this method on paper napkins. All you need is one sheet of paper. You're going to fold it over diagonally like that. Then you're going to unfold it. And you're going to fold the left and right to the edge, like that. And like that. Flip the paper over to the other side. And you're going to do the same, but backwards. Oh, come on. There. Now you got that. Then you're going to take that and you're going to fold it right up. The top point. Then next, you're taking the top point and you're going to create the swan's head by folding it down a bit. Then rotate the model sideways and fold the section in half, just like that, and pull on the swan's head. Then refold the lower creases a little bit. And you're just going to want to kind of do that with it. And look at that. You got a little swan. That easy and quick. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.